ammunition justifies the wrong. And I can't see from the backseat, so I'm asking from above, can I trust what I'm giving, even when it cuts? So heaven, if you sent us down, so we can build a playground for the sinners to play as saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around.